I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Confirm your Skoda supports Smartlink only way and update the infotainment firmware. Next, plug in your smartphone using a high-quality USB cable. Do not rely on wireless. Make sure the car is in park and the phone has mobile data and Bluetooth enabled. Close background apps for clean connection. Once these immediate checks are done, unlock your phone, accept any USB prompts, and prepare to open the Skoda app or Android Auto/Car Play interface on the head unit. You now proceed to the infotainment menu. Tap Phone then Smartlink and choose Only Way mode. At this point, the head unit will initialize a USB handshake. When your phone asks, grant permissions for CarPlay or Android Auto and allow contacts and media access. If the system requests a module or map update, approve it. Delaying can block Smartlink. During pairing, watch prompts on both screens and confirm the vehicle's PIN if shown. Make sure to select the Skoda profile so settings persist on next use. Finish by checking that app icons appear on the screen and sound routes to the car speakers, test navigation, and a short media track. Once everything works, lock the configuration by exiting menus normally. If the connection fails, first swap to a certified OEM cable, then reboot your phone and power cycle the infotainment system. These simple steps fix most issues. Only perform a module factory reset as a last resort, and back up driver profiles before doing so, because that clears saved pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.